Most weird facts about girls. Yes, they are super fun-loving, and most weird personalities, but only when the right people are around. Some of the weird facts about girls might interest you. Let's catch her wild vibes. Number 1. The average amount of time a woman can keep a secret is 47 hours and 15 minutes. Number 2. Over 80% of women wear the wrong bra size. Number 3. Women get drunk faster than men because the female body has less water in its tissue. This is the same reason why women sweat lesser than men. Number 4. Women cry on average 30 to 64 times a year while the man cries between 6 to 17 times. Number 5. Women can easily learn languages, but they find it difficult to solve problems. Number 6. Women earn US $18 trillion and spend US $28 trillion worldwide. Number 7. Girls don't like to lie, please don't ruin the word trust for them. Number 8. Women spend nearly 1 year of their lives deciding what to wear. We got a lot of options, you see. Number 9. Girls are keen observers, be careful. Number 10. The average woman eats 4 pounds of lipstick in her lifetime. Number 11. Taller women are more likely to get cancer. Number 12. They don't want an honest answer to the question, how am I looking? Cut us a slack please. Number 13. Most if not all women have their own dream world that they wish to be true one day. We all are keen fiction followers. Number 14. Men were the first to wear high heels around the 1600s. Women began wearing them to look more masculine. Number 15. The average woman in the UK owns 19 pairs of shoes but only wears 7. Number 16. Most women, long-term relationships, make a man fat to look less attractive to other women. Sounds great. Number 17. Women speak about 20,000 words a day. Number 18. Girls spend 120 hours in a year looking at themselves in the mirror.